Herbal medicine is deeply embedded in the Gulf traditions. Local herbs such as frankincense, luban, black seed or Nigella sativa, and saffron have been used for centuries for mental clarity and healing. Recent studies have explored frankincense's potential neuroprotective properties, and black seed has shown promise in reducing neuroinflammation, both highly relevant for managing Alzheimer's symptoms. AI platforms across the UAE and Saudi Arabia are now being trained on regional clinical data to analyze how these herbs interact with individual health profiles. Imagine an AI-driven app recommending a personalized herbal tea for cognitive support based on your genetics, age, and even air quality in your city. This is already in pilot stages in precision health clinics in places like Abu Dhabi and Riyadh. The Gulf is redefining tradition with tech, using AI to amplify the wisdom of our ancestors.
In the Gulf, alongside acupuncture, which is increasingly available in integrative health centers, we also see the use of hijama, cupping therapy, believed to enhance circulation and remove toxins. While historically spiritual, many patients now use it for neurological symptoms like migraines, fatigue, and tremors. But the question remains, how do we measure its impact objectively? This is where AI and wearable tech comes in. Imagine a Parkinson patient in Doha using a smartwatch that tracks tremors and sleep quality before and after therapy. AI algorithms can then assess whether hijama or acupuncture sessions have real sustained effects. Clinics in Dubai and Jeddah are already exploring these AI health integrative solutions, allowing practitioners to move from faith based to evidence based therapy models.